For today's video, I'll show you how to trade futures on Phemex. So let's begin. Now, I need you to go to your mobile device and log in to your app using your credentials. And once you've done that, we will go here to what are crypto futures and how to trade Bitcoin futures profitably. All right. Now, if you're asking what are crypto futures, basically they are financial contracts that allow two parties to agree to buy or sell a cryptocurrency at a future date and price. So futures, in short, can be used to hedge against risk or speculate on the price movement of a cryptocurrency without owning the assets themselves. Say, for example, a Bitcoin futures contract with a value of $10,000 and it might require a collateral of $100,000. Now, this high level of collateral is necessary because cryptocurrency prices are highly volatile and can fluctuate rapidly, right? Now, how does Bitcoin future works? The most popular type of crypto future contracts were introduced in December, right? It's now Bitcoin futures allows investors to take advantage of the transparency, price discovery, and risk management. Say, for example, if you expect the price of Bitcoin to go up in the future, you could buy a Bitcoin futures contract. Now, if the price of Bitcoin goes up as you expected, you would make a profit on your contract, okay? And if again, obviously, if the price goes down, you would lose some money. Now, this is how you trade crypto futures profitably. Know your exchange, okay? That's number one, because not all exchanges offer the same products or services. Okay, and number two, consider your risk appetite. That means futures trading is not for everyone, and it's important to understand the risk involved before putting any money at stake. Number three is you need to have a plan, because before entering any trade, it's crucial to have a well-defined plan. Try to develop a clear understanding of why you're entering the trade and what your exit strategy will be. Be patient. And of course, manage your risk. Now, if you may ask, what are crypto futures contracts different from spot trading? Crypto futures are not traded with any underlying assets, but their price action. Okay, and also there are types of cryptocurrency future contracts, such as the standard futures contract, the physically delivered contract, and the perpetual contract. Now, there's also a thing called crypto forwards, so it's less common than crypto futures. And here they also have like the difference between futures versus forwards. So I suggest you go here at Phemex.com academy/what are crypto futures to know more about how to trade futures in Phemex. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.